Guys, screen visible clearly
Yes, ma'am, visible.
and voice. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about Django models. So basically, models. What is models? So in Django, models is a built-in feature that Django uses to create tables, fields, and various constraints. In short, Django model is the SQL of database one uses with Django SQL. Is a complex and involves a lot of different queries for creating, deleting, updating. Like it's like a database in a Python. Like we use SQL, so it is similar to SQL. We can use admin panel of Django to create, update, delete, or retrieve fields of model and various similar operations. Django models provide simplicity, consistency, version control, and advanced metadata handling. Basics then the basics of model include is Django.model. So this is a class model. Each attributes data database field. Like for example, first we have to import from Django.db those models. So step one we reporting if we are using models, simply import models. Okay. Then after creating models, so this model is the name means this subclass we will use for a particular function. Then we give it name of model. So we are passing the attributes models. Then title. So I have already explained yesterday models dot character field means this is the data type and this is the field description means which field we want to write here, and it's these are the constant that we want to use. It's not necessary to it. Then another field is description, so that is text field. So this is our character field and this is text field. Both are the same like inputting text in a HTML. Okay, so Django maps the field defined in a structure to what model so description and the images. So the table structure should like this will be created inside model. So how to create a model? So first we have to import this file Django.db. From this module we have to import models. Then the model name, and this is the field name. This basic structure field name models.field means the data type which type we are using. Then option. Like whenever we create a model, delete a model, or update anything in model, anything, any of the models dot py of our project, we need to run two commands. Basically, I will run once first migrate. As what make migration basically created app model which
Ma'am, voice is
once
breaking.
we first we make two make migrate and once my so make migration will basically generate SQL so it will create what the structure could going to happen. Then after it execute those commands. So what we will do to execute those SQL commands. Okay, we will run these two first. Write code at make migration. So it is making the migration means creating the structure, writing the SQL query. Then after to create our model as a table. So to display the model, you use this manage.py migrate file. So these are the basic two commands when we have created the models to run the model. So these two commands is necessary to run in our command prompt. Now we have so to render a model in Django admin interface. So to do this, to render a model in Django admin, we need to modify slash app admin.py means whenever we create app file, so it has some admin.py file also. So to remove this admin.py files, then we have to import this code from contribute import admin. So we are importing the admin. Then after performs dot not import Greek model. This is the class we have given before that will this is a class that have a structure of the table in our so admin dot site and add model. So uh, it will create something like so it will display on a screen something like if I could make it larger no. Okay, so we can whether the model has been rendered in Django admin. Django admin interface can be used to graphically implement flood. Means these are the basic operation that we perform on a database like create, retrieve, update, and delete. So third operation is inserting, updating, and deleting data. So to do this, first we are adding object means inserting to create an object of model album and save it to a database. Like we have created a model album and we want to create the object of this. So we need to write the following command. Like we have created a class Greeks model. Okay na? So this is class 2 and then to access the class we always create object. So we are creating here object to access this class. So what is the Greeks model? Here we are creating object. So what the value we are passing title Greeks for Greeks description, a description here and the images. So in this Greeks model class, these three uh, points will be updated. Then we will write a dot save. So it will insert the data. Now we want to display the data to retrieve the data. So what we will do? We have Greeks model dot objects dot all. So we will if we will run this command. So what will it display? Display Greeks model divide, Greeks model averrote and revolver query sets. Then updating to update the data like we can modify an existing object as follows. So first name of the class. So this is Greeks model dot objects dot get. Then we will pass the ID here because ID is automatically created in a models. When we create a model, ID is auto incremented and created automatically. Then a dot what we are doing here a dot title font. So we are changing the a dot title to an a dot save. What will it do? It save the our it update the date and deleting. So we have some data in a. So this is a class dot id from where id is equals to this field. This id particular id of the data in a. Then we give values. So we have delete the object means we have deleted the information on a fields in a model. So validation is like the built-in validation that put integer values and that models.py file. So first we will do first we will import Django dot models means we will add this model. This another module, means this is another function. This, this is then inside this module so breaks field or else integer field. So what it will, this bricks is going to be integer field. And the value is showing this is its because these arrows is in uppercase. So this will, if you are using these indicator so six side restriction. So these are the some data types. Ma'am, voice clear? Hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are some data types that we use in a when we create a models, like creating a table. Models is basically like it's similar like you if you use PHP MyAdmin and MySQL, so you work in a database table. So it's something like those creating data. These are the relations so like or in form and relation means connect. So if you use for connecting with the some particular area, many to one means it's quite additional many one to one means only there is a one connection. So after field option, so field options are the argument given to each applying some concept or starting a particular. We will provide some data argument like null, so for true, store, empty values in the database defaults or blank name of data column to use for this field. Guys, voice is breaking. Suppose ma'am take the attendance, rest of the thing I will cover in tomorrow. I think there is network issue
Okay.
in my side, so I will do it tomorrow. Okay? Take
Okay,
their
ma'am.
attendance.
Should I call the names?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Okay, ma'am. I have taken the screenshot for the attendance.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we will continue it tomorrow. Actually, I am facing some network issue, so I think you guys are not clear with my voice. So we will continue it tomorrow. Okay, thank you. You guys can leave now.